Welcome students. We are studying the external morphology of leech. In this external morphology, we will study its external features which is very important for the leeches. These are the suckers. Each end of the body it bears a hollow muscular organ called as sucker. They have two types of suckers. One is anterior sucker and other is posterior sucker. First, we will see the anterior sucker. The anterior or cephalic sucker, it is also called as cephalic sucker. It is made up from prostomium and three anterior body somites. The anterior sucker it is oval in outline with a ventrally directed cup-like hollow structure called preoral chamber, and at the bottom of which lies the mouth. It is the anterior sucker. Then second, it is posterior sucker. Posterior end of body also have a circular and highly muscular disc. It is called as posterior sucker. Posterior sucker is also called as anal sucker and it is directed downward. It is formed by the complete fusion of last 7 body segments or somites from number 27 to 33, and they are arranged in a concentric ring-like structures. They both the anterior and posterior suckers they are primarily mean for the adhesion and locomotion purpose. The anterior sucker also helps in the feeding process in the leech. Then next external feature present in Hirudinaria, it is external apertures. We will see 5 to 4 to 5 external apertures one by one. First external aperture it is the mouth. Mouth is narrow. It is triradiate aperture opening centrally in the preoral chamber of the anterior sucker. Then second is anus. It is a small aperture opening. It opens mid-dorsally on the 26th segment at the base of posterior sucker. Then third external aperture, it is nephridia. The nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores. How many pairs? 17 pairs. Then of these 17, one pair lies ventrally on the last annulus of each of the segments from segment number 6 to segment number 22. Then next external aperture, it is male genital pore. It is mid-ventral opening situated in a groove between second and third annuli of the 10th segment or somite. Sometimes a thread-like penis is seen protruding through this aperture. It is called as male genital pore. Then next is female genital pore. Female genital pore lies mid-ventrally in between the second and third annuli of 11th somite. These are the external apertures present in the leech. Then we will see the body divisions in the leech. The body of leech can be divided into six segments or six regions. First region, it is cephalic. Second, preclitellar. Third region is clitellar. Then fourth, middle. Fifth, caudal. And sixth, posterior sucker. These are the main six divisions of this hirudinaria. First, cephalic. It is composed of first five or also called as ocular segments. It includes prostomium, anterior sucker, mouth, and eyes. The nephrodiopores are absent in this region. The segments 1 and 2 they are uniannulate. Segment 3 is biannulate. Two annuli are present. And segment 4 and 5 are triannulate. Three annuli are present. The first three segments with prostomium they form the upper lip-like structure. Then second region it is preclitellar. It is formed by three segments. Segment number 6, 7 and 8. These all bears nephrodiopores. Segment 6 it is triannulate and the remaining two that is 7 and 8 segment they are quinannulate each having 5 annuli. Okay. Then third clitellar it comprises of segments number 9, 10 and 11. Then fourth region middle region it is made up from or comprises segments 12 to 13 that is 11 in number. Then caudal region it includes four incomplete segments from 23 to 26 and last region it is posterior sucker. It is made up from 7 segments, segment number 27 to 33. In this way it is the external morphology of leech.